Welcome back to Tech Scout, where we showcase advanced industrial and automation machinery from around the world. In this video, you'll see specialized systems boosting efficiency, safety, and precision across modern industries. A robotic palletizer automates stacking boxes onto pallets, improving logistics speed, stability, and reducing manual labor strain. An injection molding unit shapes molten plastic in precise molds, creating durable, uniform components used in automotive manufacturing, packaging, electronics, and household products. A vacuum forming system heats thermoplastic sheets until pliable, then shapes them over molds using vacuum pressure, widely applied in automotive panels, enclosures, and industrial packaging. Molten metal is forced into precision steel molds under high pressure, creating dense, accurate components essential for automotive engines, aerospace parts, and heavy machinery. Here's another injection molding system forms intricate plastic parts with high repeatability and strength. Commonly used in automotive, medical, and consumer manufacturing industries. On screen, induction heating quickly softens metal billets for forging, using electromagnetic fields to ensure uniform heat, improved grain structure, and high-strength parts in industrial. A robotic spray system applies coatings with electrostatic precision, minimizing overspray and ensuring uniform, high-quality finishes for automotive panels and industrial components. These automated screwdrivers assemble parts with perfect torque and placement, enhancing accuracy and speed in electronics and appliance production lines. A fully automated line assembles car components with synchronized precision, boosting efficiency, accuracy, and safety in vehicle manufacturing. A CNC milling center machines an engine cylinder head with micron precision, ensuring flawless sealing surfaces, improved performance, and extended engine durability. Here, a robotic welding station fuses car frames precisely, ensuring consistent welds, superior strength, and long-term reliability. A hydraulic press forms and stamps sheet metal under immense pressure, creating durable, high-precision components for automotive, aerospace, and heavy industrial manufacturing. This CNC lathe rotates and machines metal workpieces with micron accuracy, producing balanced, high-precision components essential for aerospace, automotive, and industrial manufacturing. A robotic welding cell joins automotive frames with sensor-guided precision and automation, enhancing weld accuracy, strength, and long-term structural durability. An automated system installs tires onto wheel rims with precision alignment, enhancing speed, consistency, and balance across modern automotive production lines. From robotic welders to precision molding and CNC machining, these innovations define the future of automated manufacturing. Thanks for watching Tech Scout. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more engineering insights.